Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Facebook Ads Manager, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Facebook account. Once logged in, navigate to the menu icon in the top right corner. Click on Ads Manager to open the Facebook Ads Manager interface. Familiarize yourself with the main dashboard, which displays campaign performance. To create a new campaign, click on the green Create button. Choose your campaign objective from the options provided. Options may include brand awareness, lead generation, or conversions. After selecting an objective, click Continue. Next, you'll need to name your campaign for easy identification. You can also decide if you want to run A/B tests or enable campaign budget optimization. After naming your campaign, click on Continue to move to the ad set level. Specify the ad set name and define your audience. You can create a custom audience based on various targeting options. Adjust the locations where you want your ads to appear. Select the age range, gender, and interests of your target demographic. Then, set your budget and scheduling preferences. Choose whether you want your budget to be daily or a lifetime amount. Once you've set your budget, select the schedule for your ad duration. After you have configured your ad set, click on Continue to proceed to the final step. At the ad level, choose the format for your ad, such as single image, carousel, or video. Upload your chosen media files by clicking on the Upload button. In the text fields, write a compelling ad copy and include a call to action. You can also add links to your website or landing page. Review your ad preview to ensure everything looks as intended. Once satisfied with your ad, click on the green Publish button. Finally, monitor the performance of your campaigns through the dashboard. You can adjust settings and optimize your ads based on real-time data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.